In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an order and pay with a Visa gift card just like you would with a regular card. Before we jump in, a quick tip to save you headaches. Make sure your gift card is activated and check the available balance. Remember, your total will include item price, shipping, taxes, and sometimes a small temporary hold during authorization. So leave a little cushion. If your card lets you register a billing address or zip code on the issuer's website, do that first, because many online checkouts use it to verify the card. Open the TikTok app and sign into your account. Head to the Shop tab, where you can browse featured items or search for what you want. When you find a product you like, open the product page and review the details, including size or color options, shipping estimates, and seller ratings. Tap Buy Now or add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen, confirm your shipping address and the quantity. Now look for the payment method section and choose credit or debit card. That is exactly where a Visa gift card goes because it works the same way as a standard Visa at checkout. Enter the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back. For the name field, you can enter your own name if the card is not personalized. For billing address, use the address or zip code you registered with the card. If none is registered, use your own address, as some systems simply need a matching zip to approve the transaction. If you're prompted to save the card, consider skipping that, since gift cards are often single-use or have limited balances. Before placing the order, check that your gift card balance comfortably covers the full total. Most platforms don't allow splitting a single order across a gift card and another payment type, so the card needs to cover everything. If you're short, pick a lower-priced item or wait until you add funds with a different method. Tap Pay or Place Order. If the payment succeeds, you'll see a confirmation and receive a notification. If it doesn't, double-check the card details, verify the zip code, and confirm that the card supports online purchases and has enough balance for all charges and any temporary hold. After payment, you can track your order in the shop section under your profile. Keep the card until the order is delivered in case a refund needs to go back to it. And that's it. Enjoy your purchase using a Visa gift card on TikTok Shop.